Hey y'all, it's Brandon back here, back at it again with another video. And yes, we are back with the Arizona Diamondbacks rebuild. And this is the second year in the row that the Dodgers have took us out. But we had a better team, but Correa got hurt, so Correa couldn't do anything. So, who wins the World Series? The Dodgers. I need to know how to turn that thing off. I don't like inside the show. Verlander. Who else? Probably no one. Robinson Cano. Dave Roberts. Give him a contract. Same with Joe Madden. Lloyd Baker. Kevin Cash is there. Tommy Parker. Sparky Anderson. Why not get Sparky? Give him a huge ass contract to be farm director. Jack Flaherty, try to get him, get another good starter. To help this team. Josh Hader, another bullpen piece. I don't know who else I need. Because I got good players. Probably Matt Olson. Not gonna lie, Olson will be a good player to bring. Devers can play first. I can get Rafael Devers, who's younger. Ooh. He's gonna be playing hugely. Andrelton Simmons. Ooh. This is gonna be good. If I get Simmons because he can play third, and then Chris Bryant can play first. Smart. Big brains. I got that big brain. Shohei Ohtani, if I want Ohtani. Ian Happ has 95 power. There's Mater got 99 speed, 99 fielding. I don't need him. Okay, let's see. I mean, the pitching's good. The bullpen kind of needs a little help. See what I mean? It's like I play Story at second. Correa at short still. Ryan at first. This is if I get Devers or Simmons. Flaherty. Got Devers. And Olsen. And Simmons. I can trade Matt Olson. I can trade him. Matt Olson. Jose Abreu. Rafael Devers for starting pitcher. Walker Buehler. But now I'm going for a 99 starter. If there's a 99 starter anywhere. Or 99 player. Nolan Arenado I can get. Ooh. Arenado. Lindor. Javier. Syndergaard. Mm, huh. Judge. Mookie. I can get Mookie. I can take Mookie from them, but I'm not gonna. Nor will I. Nah. I'm probably gonna do a starter. No Syndergaard. Whoa, Devers? I don't have to trade Devers? Oh yeah. Let's go. Rafael Devers. Patrick Corbin and Luke Weaver. For Sean Manaeus. I can do that. I'm gonna do that. So DeGrom, Syndergaard, Talon, Barrios, Manaeus, Flaherty, Gallen, Gray. Maxi, I'm sorry, you're getting released. Bearclaw. Bearclaw's not gonna be playing. Neither. I can just release Dozier and Bearclaw. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, we got 13 players, which is good. That's the max you can have. Oh my god. If I don't win this, it's sad if I don't win the division. If I don't win this, it's gonna be sad. Do 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 do. My time is now. Story. Yelich. Bryant. Correa. No, Peterson, Correa, Kelly, Simmons. So, oh yeah, Simmons at shortstop. Correa at third, and then Story at first. So you put Correa, boom. Boom. So, first the Story. Yelich, Jimenez, Bryant, Peterson, Correa, Simmons, Kelly. No, Kelly then Simmons. Okay, so Simmons. Story, Yelich, Trout, Bryant, Correa, Correa, uh, Correa, Kelly, Simmons, so Noah Syndergaard. I don't care. I made the best team. I don't care about this. That was a good trade for the both teams. Um, I'll let them do it. Bumgarner, Kelly, Diaz. The bullpen and McRae, Priz can go down. McRae can go down. All these guys. Double A, double A, triple A, triple A, double A, triple A. Bumgarner, triple A, Kelly, double A, Diaz, triple A. Marwin Gonzalez, triple A, Nick Ahmed, triple A, Matt Adams, triple A, CJ Cron, double A. I gotta get other players. I hate doing this every single year, but it's worth it. It's for the team. Okay. There's only one person I'm extending, and hopefully this can only be, hopefully this can be the last year. Hopefully this is the last year. Ryan Presley, yeah, don't need him. I can actually have a catcher? No way. Nick Ahmed though. Oh, Simmons at short. Jock Peterson. There we go. There we go. Oh my goodness. Just imagine this team in real life. Oh my goodness. This will be a crazy team. This is gonna be a crazy team. I can tell you how crazy this team is. Yeah, this team, let me just go out and say, it's gonna be a crazy team. Yeah, Bryant over Correa. Peterson. Simmons over CJ Cron. Boom. Boom. Story. Yelich. Boom. DeGrom. Syndergaard. Flaherty. Barrios. And Talon. Then Sean Manaea. Zach Gallen. Sonny Gray. Kenley Johnson. Ryan Presley. Liam Hendricks. Chapman. And this dude. I mean, if it was a year, it should be this year. Like I said last year. Oh, we're starting off great. Let's go. But Miami, losing Miami like that? No. But sweeping the Dodgers is good. Nice. 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 We swept the Dodgers again. We lost to St. Louis. Nice. We beat the Dodgers again. We've swept San Fran. We beat the Cardinals and Nationals. And the Mets. We tied with the Phillies. We won one game against San Diego. We swept the Dodgers again. We beat San Fran. We sweep San Fran. We swept San Francisco. Like I said, Sean Manaea, fractured wrist. Okay, he'll be good. Oh my goodness. Yeah, see? Jock Peterson and Andrelton Simmons are getting called up. I don't care what they say. Why they even bring them down anyway? Simmons. Yeah, he's the Jock Peterson. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care. I'll sign free agents. Zach Thomas, Sean Dozier, Eddie Mills, this dude, and then boom, boom. See, CJ Cron. I don't need him. Boom. Jock Peterson over Brandon Belt. Story is not gonna be the freaking third baseman. Okay, Story, Yelich, Trout, Jimenez, Bryant, Correa, Simmons. No, Peterson, Simmons, Kelly. Are you? This game's testing me. This game loves testing me. Yelich. Oh, no, you don't. Okay. Story, Yelich, Bryant, Correa. Simmons over him. And boom. Then boom. Then boom. 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 I like that. Okay. Okay. Sean Mania, 1 to 2 more months, which I'm okay with because that's gonna be in time. Didn't get anyone. Got Jose. Got Chris Bryant. Got Carlos Correa. Then Eloy, Mike Trout, and Christian Yelich. Got my 3 outfielders. Let's go. Okay, so Eloy has hit the most home runs. Let's go. Nice. Nice. Nice, the Dodgers aren't doing good. 2 to 3 weeks. Why Brandon Belt? Why you keep on putting Belt in? Story, Yelich. Bro, you play Story all the time. I don't care what you say. Story plays. This stupid game always puts other players first. Like, bro. No. There. Simmons. Like, why is Simmons not playing? You know? There we go. Okay. There should be everything. Forget it. At least put story in, and then put it like this, and have Simmons in, because don't play Belt ever. Nice. We're getting home runs from my guys. Sean Manaea back. No, Manaea isn't back yet. 1 to 6 days, which I am happy that he's 1 to 6 days. Put Belt down. Ay, ay, ay. Bum me. No, Bum can't get up. Damn it. Okay, so Manaea is back. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We won the division with 109 wins. Wait a minute, please say. Yes, the Dodgers didn't win. Oh my god. Oh my god, the team that kept on giving us hell did not win. Let's go. Let's go. The team that gave us hell did not win at all. $2.99s. Ooh. I don't know if this is legal anymore, but Simmons, yeah, whatever. Oh my goodness. Nah, Story's gonna play over Belt. Alright, don't bring them up. Bring Marvin Gonzalez up instead. Bring Max Scherzer. Yeah. There we go. We got Scherzer up.
The final postseason teams are jockeying for position. Welcome to Inside the Show. Starting in the AL West, the Oakland Athletics totaled 11 hits as they got a win over the Astros in Houston, 7-5. As of right now, the Astros sit in second place in the American League West, 1 game out of first. And the Athletics are atop the division, 1 game ahead of second. Thanks for listening in to this pennant chase edition of Inside the Show. Enjoy the ball games today and tune in again tomorrow for a full rundown of the day's action.
Yelich had Gold Glove nominees. Bryant, Eloy. Bryant and Eli. Oh Lord, here we go.
Hello, baseball fans. Thanks for joining us on this October morning. Here's what's going on around the league as the postseason rolls on. In Game 4 of the American League Division Series, the Rays combined to give up just 5 hits as they defeated the visiting Yankees 5-4. They've now tied the series at 2 heading into Game 5. In Game 4 of the AL Division Series, the A's smacked 15 team hits as they took down the Chi Sox in front of a home crowd 13-10. They've now tied the series at 2 heading into Game...
Oh goodness. Here we go. Simmons, I don't care if he hits, but Trout needs to hit. Trout needs to hit. You know, I don't care because I didn't get Simmons for his bat. I got it for his defense. Because I need defense.
Standing in, CJ.
Defense was probably what killed me. Was pitching. Why is Sean Manaea in? Bryant, there we go.
Your attention, please. Now pitching for the Diamondbacks.
Nice. No. Liam Hendricks.
There's Joe Madden up out of the dugout now on his way to home plate, so it looks as though he's going to call for the double switch here.
My boy,
Jock Peterson will be summoned to pinch hit here to start the bottom of the ninth. And remember, they need 2 to tie, 3 to win, so he's got his work cut out for him here. Jock swings and sends the ball to deep right.
Okay, one more to tie.
See you later. Over the wall, a home run.
And I got power on this team. Yeah. I got my boy Mike
shot here to straightaway right field. It's now a 3-2 ball game. Here's the first pitch. Oh, and he got
hits the home run. Let's go.
This ball is hit high in the air and deep. And folks, this ball game is
there's Trout's first hit of the game. His home run. Bang. Now for Chris Bryant.
Here's Chris Bryant now. As the first pitch to him is swung on and missed for strike 1. He's 2 for 3 and looking for more here.
Come on, Chris. Boom.
High in the air
Get
out
out.
to center field.
Oh, no,
Nick
that's
Woods
not
under it. Looks it into his glove,
right,
and there's one gone.
Two of my guys.
Javi Guerra is called upon to get the final 2 outs of the ninth and send this one into extra innings. So stepping in, Christian Yelich. He's working on a 1 for 3 thus far. Ready to deliver. Here's the first pitch. And that's by him. It's 0-1.
Lord have mercy.
You know, it's funny. I can count on one hand the times I was able to actually go to the plate and think home run and hit a home run. I wish guys would just focus on getting into their rhythm at the dish, trying to hit the ball hard and let the chips fall where they may. When they try and hit home runs, it usually doesn't happen.
Now batting.
Stepping into the box, Eloy Jimenez. He comes into this appearance in the midst of a 1 for 4 day. He's ready. Here's the first offering. High fly ball out to straightaway center. Nick Woods under it. And no problem with that one as we are headed for... Aroldis Chapman takes the mound as he'll be the first man to pitch here in... Ready for the bottom of the 10th here. And coming forward now is the shortstop, Carlos Correa. First delivery to him on the way. Fouled off.
Yikes, this man threw a 100-mile-per-hour sinker. How am I supposed to hit that?
Hit sharply on the ground. Oh, a diving effort as it's off his glove.
Nice,
Good
Carlos.
try to recover that time, but he'll beat it out as he's aboard to kick off the inning.
Come on, Trevor.
At the plate, Trevor Story. The winning run is at first base.
I know he didn't smoke that one from the offensive standpoint, but you know what? A knock's a knock,
Story.
especially to lead off an inning. Game tied, and it's getting late. That could prove to be pivotal.
Naquin has to roam straight back, but he has it for
No,
the first out.
that's not
And he
a good
thought
idea.
better of taking that risk there as he retreats back to first safely.
Ah, I don't think
So
so.
now to the plate will be Andrelton Simmons. He's got a chance to end this one and send these fans home happy if he can get a ball deep enough into the gap. Leaps high as he makes the catch.
Jeez.
Well done.
Off the bat, that had soft base hit written all over it, but a nice snag there by the infielder on that soft liner that could have been a potential base hit.
on,
Here's the
Carson.
first pitch. Hard hit towards center. Naquin
Wow.
is there to make the catch, and that means we.
Wow. Looking mid.
Nick Ahmed is up off the bench here to start the home half of the 11th as he'll try to get on base as the possible winning run. Hit hard to short.
Nice, Nick.
Sliding attempted short, but he can't get a glove
Oh,
on
boy.
it, and that should be a base hit.
Nice to see this guy stay within himself and get a base hit to start off the bottom of the 11th right here. Usually guys try and come outside their pay grade. Not the case here. Pass the baton mentality. Let's see if he scratches one across.
Runner goes. Line to the right side. In there, a base hit. The throw to third. And
Nice.
he is in at
That
third
hitting run worked.
safely, so the winning run is 90 feet away with
My
nobody
hit and
out.
run work. My hit and run.
So coming to the
Work.
plate, Chris Bryant. And he has a great opportunity to win it here. Winning run at third base, nobody out.
Nice, 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 nice. Just
Here's the
another
first
outfield.
pitch. Swinging a ground ball to third. There's Merrifield. On to first,
No.
and they get the double play.
That's the worst thing.
Digging in, Christian Yelich. He's got a chance to win it here, but with a couple of bases open, they might think about working around him. There's a swing and a miss, says, oh my goodness. He loses the shillelagh on that one. Look out.
The bat. There we go.
The 0-1. Now
Boom.
this is lined into right center. He
That's
comes
game.
through.
Oh
And their
my
dream
gosh.
season continues. They
Yes.
walk off a winner. And with
We
it, it's
finally got
on to
past
the
that.
NLCS.
We finally got to the NLCS. Finally. Yikes. I thought it was going to be easy to get through because we didn't have to face the Dodgers, but we had to face San Diego. Who does Miami even have? Who does Miami even have? Miami. Sixto Sanchez. Tommy Edman. This isn't a good team. I should beat them. Yeah, there's the sweep. We're in the World Series. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're facing Oakland.
Welcome to the show, everyone. Thanks for
Okay,
making
we're
us a part of
facing
your morning.
Oakland.
And
Okay, we could sweep Oakland. We swept Oakland. Okay, so we swept Oakland. Oh, this took
Hi there, everyone. Welcome to this special postseason edition of Inside the Show. For Game 4 of the Major League Baseball World Series, the Diamondbacks combined for a 4-hitter.
Yeah, shut this dude up. This took 3 episodes just to win a World Series. Oh, finally. Finally, we won the World Series. Eloy won the playoff, and Trout won the MVP. I'm glad. I'm glad we won. Because that was a little out of hand. Okay, we won with 299 overalls. Oh my goodness, look at all the 90s we have. Carson Kelly could have been a 90, Travis Story, Simmons, Gray was a 90 once, Hendricks, Chapman was, Gallen was, Scherzer. Yeah, this is a nice lineup. But anyway, that'll be it. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Yeah. Or video. Peace.